Hello, today we'll be going over how to access the New York file share from the new RDP environment. First things first, on your Mac OS computer, go to the App Store and download Microsoft Remote Desktop. You can see mine says open right there because I've already downloaded it. Yours will say get. Just hit get on that and download that program. Once it is open, you're going to want to drag the file you've copied from your email over to add it in here. It's going to show up under saved PCs, and just so I can keep everything organized, I'm going to drag that over to LibJ. I can show you that in a different video how to organize these if you'd like to, but you can just leave it in saved PCs. We need to edit some things first, so click on the pencil icon. You can change the friendly name here, just don't change any of the settings under gateway. For user account, you're going to want to click on that and hit add new user or add user account. This is going to be L-OBJET / and your username. I'm going to go use the Anytech account here and type in my password and hit add. Once you've done that, we're going to go over to the display and change a couple things here. The display tab. Change the resolution to all the way at the top where it says default for this display. Otherwise it's going to be really hard to see. Don't keep it as the 4K. Use default for this display. You can use all monitors if you want to, but I'm not going to. I'm going to start the session in full screen. I'm also going to click optimize for Retina display since that's what I have. Under devices and audio, you can just leave all of this checked, including play sound on this computer. Under folders, we're going to set up a redirect folder, so hit the plus sign in the bottom left-hand corner. I'm going to choose my downloads folder. I'm going to hit open, and then you're going to see it says C users Adam Sargent downloads. Hit save. Now to open it up, just double-click on the tile. After a few seconds, you'll see where it says it's going to pop up and show you there's a security thing that wants you to say yes to. Just hit continue, and then it will open up into a Windows environment. Once in the Windows environment, you'll see a couple icons on your desktop, one for Google Chrome, one for the NY file share. I'm going to go and open that up, and this should look very familiar to you. To show you how to copy files to your desktop so you can work on them from your Mac, I'm going to go and just open up a random folder here. And you won't have permissions to all these folders, but I do because I'm on the Anytech account just so I can test things. So I'm going to click the file I want and hit copy. And you'll see there's downloads on Justice Book Pro. That's the name of my computer. And if you go to this PC, you can double click on that, and you can paste it into the downloads folder. You might get an error message saying, do you want to save it without its properties? Just hit yes on that. Back in Mac OS, on my downloads folder, I can now see the PDF that I copied over, and I can begin working on it. When I'm done, I can save it, I can trash it. If I want to copy it back to the file share, I would need to go, I'm showing you right now how to copy a file to your downloads folder so you can move it to the file share. I'll hit refresh here. And now you can see the screen recording. You can copy that into any folder you need to on the file share. You can of course work right from Windows if you want to, but we've designed it this way so you can work from your Mac OS desktop like you're used to without any issues. Once you're done working, you can sign out of the Windows environment by clicking on the Start button and then going to your name and hitting Sign Out. This will pop you back out onto Mac OS. You don't have to stay connected the whole time. If you want to work on your files after you've copied them, you can work on those files, then log back in later. I'm just going to clean up these files now because I don't need these temp files or the screen recording. And that is all that I have for you guys today. If you have any questions or concerns at all, please contact us at the information on the screen here. We're able to help you 24/7 in any way that we can. Thank you so much.